back. Today, we're going to talk about step 15 of your furnace tune-up and inspection. Step 15 is thermostat system check and calibration. So we all know the thermostat on the wall, that's where you turn your system on and off and you control everything that's going on. You control your temperature, how hot you want it, how cold you want it, if you want your fan to come on and off and circulate the air for filtration, or maybe you've got it programmed and you want it to come on and off at certain times. We need to get inside there and make sure that your program is right, that we're not asking for some outrageous heat number or maybe not enough heat. We want to make sure all your time settings are set properly. We want to make sure that the thermostat engages properly when you're calling for heating or cooling. We want to make sure that there's no time delays that are in there that are causing the unit not to run as fast as it should, and then makes you a longer run cycle, which costs you too much energy because you don't need it. So we want to go through, we want to make sure that your thermostat is doing exactly what it's supposed to do at all times and controlling your equipment the way it's supposed to. We also want to make sure it's nice and level and secured to the wall, not falling off because of the sensor that's back there. It needs to be level and it needs to be against the wall to get the good temperature of your home. And plus it's kind of ugly when they're falling off the wall, wouldn't you agree? Super important that you have maintenance done. Things just as simple as a thermostat hanging off the wall or not properly mounted can affect the way the equipment runs, which in turn means you could be paying too much to PG&E, you could be causing premature failure. I mean, you could be just left stranded with no heat because something's not right with the thermostat because it fell off the wall, maybe a wire touched and shorted out and blew the fuses. So again, super important, every year, get maintenance done. We do tune-ups all the time. It's always better to be proactive and get your tune-up done before it's cold outside. So call today, get your tune-up done. See you on the next video.